Hey loves, in today's video I will be revisiting one of my favorite Amazon eyeshadow palettes, the Dream Land by UCANBE. I am highlighting my brow bone with Creme using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. Using the Coastal Scents Classic Blender Crease, I am applying the shade Eden directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am placing Ethereal on the outermost corners of my lid using the Coastal Scents Classic Small Shadow Brush. I am using my Aloe E124 to place New Classic right next to Ethereal. I am applying Inspire to the center of my lid with the BH Cosmetics Small Flat Shader. I am highlighting my brow bone with the LA Colors Contour Stick in Highlighter. I am blending that highlighter into Eden using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I applied the Kiss Black Lash Glue Liner. Now I'm coating my lashes with the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. This is the Lovet Luxury 3D Lash in style L365. I am bringing New Classic down to my lower lash line using the AOA E115. I am lining my waterline with the Colourpop Cream Gel Color in Charmer using the BH Cosmetics Flat Eyeliner Brush. To complete this eye look, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the Revlon Color Charge Loose Powder in the shade Copper using my Coastal Scents Classic Pointed Detail Brush. To save time, I did most of my face makeup off camera. Now with my Beauty Accents Angled Brush, I am applying this orange blush from the Ruby Kisses Dare Blusher palette. I am using the highlighter from that same palette on my AOA F19. To complete this makeup look, I am applying the LA Colors Intense Color Lip Gloss in Fancy. This eye makeup came out so pretty, exactly how I imagined it in my head. The UCANBE Dream Land Palette is one of my favorite Amazon palettes that I have purchased. I absolutely love the color scheme of this palette, and I can create so many different looks with it. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this makeup look. There will also be a link to my review video of the UCANBE Dream Land palette so you can check out a different look that I created using it. Have you tried out the UCANBE brand? Do you have a favorite palette? If so, let me know in a comment down below, and until next time, bye loves!